Well, good afternoon. It is the 7th of November, the day after the election, and in keeping with the recent price trading in cotton, this was a confusing day. Now, the market was up a lot, but with the crop report coming out tomorrow, with exports coming out tomorrow, it just seemed pretty hard to keep it up. At one point, we were up about 240 points in December cotton, and everybody wants to know what's going on, what's happened, what's the news, and the answer is just like it was yesterday when we were down 200 at one point. There was really no news, not any specific news. Today, same thing. At one point, we got up 240. We're closing up 155 at 78.98, a high of 79.77, a low of 77.20. So that's just what it did today. Now, grains, it was a different story. We closed down on the day there. We had January soybeans down 5 1/4 at 8.79, a high of 8.88 1/2, a low of 8.76 3/4. December corn down 1 1/2 at 3.71 3/4. That market is seeing a high of 3.73 1/4, a low of 3.71. December wheat down 1 3/4 at 5.10 1/4, a high of 5.14 1/4, a low of 5.07 1/4. Crude oil down 33 cents a barrel. The dollar down 31. Gold up $2 an ounce. Silver up 8 cents an ounce. And here it is, stock market reacting in a very favorable way following yesterday's election. We've got the Dow Jones up 415 on the day. This is the third day we've been up. So at least the stock market likes yesterday's election. We've got to get into tomorrow and get exports. It won't be good in cotton probably, and probably won't be good in grains. This reflects last week's number, and China still playing the game they played, trying to show through cancellations in cotton that our numbers were poor, put downward pressure on the market. And we as Americans and coming from the farm community, based on what China thought, is we would turn our back on Trump. Well, that obviously didn't happen. So now, hopefully, by the end of this month, when the U.S. and China come together to talk, we'll may be able to make some progress in the trade sanctions, the trade agreement. And that's really about it. We'll have a busy day tomorrow. Make sure you join us tomorrow morning for our morning update, followed by a weekly market report that's brought to you by FiberMax and Stoneville Seed. We'll see you then. Thank you.